Hello everyone, welcome to today's training. Today we're going to look at some more of the applications inside of M365, and I'll be able to describe some of the nuances and maybe help you to understand the process if you already don't have a good grasp of how they work. I hope everyone has been practicing with this new platform and trying to get a feel for it. It'd be very helpful moving down the road. Now let's take a look. Today we want to address two apps. The first app rather, is going to be OneDrive. Okay, OneDrive is located on the left-hand side of the screen. Okay, then you click on it. All right, OneDrive is basically the storage center for all of your documents. When you're working on them, you're typing, and after you finish, it'll sync and save it automatically. You don't have to save it. Okay, you do not have to save it. And so OneDrive, the files are stored in the cloud, and the cloud is basically a Microsoft, one of their mini servers somewhere in their data center, and that's what the cloud is. Okay, some benefits you have with OneDrive is to back up your files, access them anywhere at any time, and the ability to share the file and work on it jointly with someone else. So very helpful tool. We have moved away from that save as a PDF, as a Word document, and attach it and send it for somebody else to take a look at it. Now you can access this information from a smartphone, personal computer, home computer, work computer, and continue to do any necessary changes to a document. All right, OneDrive can be installed on any platform, Mac or Windows, also iPhone or Androids. All right, and we'll take a look in a second about how to download that app. All right, the app is already installed. However, if it is deleted on some versions or for some reason it's not on the screen, you can add it, and that process looks like this. You can go here. All right, and this is how you download the app to your computer or download it to your smartphone. Pretty easy. All right, so let's just go back and let's take a look. All right, I've been in here earlier working around, and this is my folder here. So you can click on your folder, and it opens up the different documents that I have worked on, and they were saved automatically. All right, so if you need to work on a new document, all right, or open a new document, you can go right here. You have a new folder, Words, Excel, spreadsheet, whatever it may be. It's right there at your fingertips. Okay, all right. Over here is recent. That's the most recent document I worked on. Right, no photos, no albums, but you can add those to it. Okay, you can share with someone from there. And I was talking about that earlier, sharing your files. You can just share from here. You don't have to do the email process. Okay, so now the view, you can view your files like this, or you can go right here. Say if I'm looking for a specific file, I can type that in and it'll pull it up. All right, too easy. Also, you can set your grid as how you want it to look, like that, or back to the tiles. All right, and you can also sort here. All right, so there is one item on this screen that's very, very important, and that is your personal vault. A personal vault is where you can store all your important information. All right, and let's click on that and you can see it. All right, secured by two-step verification. Auto locks after 20 minutes of inactivity, available on all OneDrive devices. So if you have a document that's sensitive, social security number on it, whatever it may be, you can store it here, safe location, and go through the verification process. And then you have a secret area, not so much secret, but a secure area that you can save your information in. And I wanted to show one more thing. You can right click on a folder, and this is, you can download it, you can delete it, you can move it, or move the information inside, rename it, embed it, create an album. That's some of the other steps. And you can also see they're also listed up here, but it's easier just to right click, okay, right across the top. All right. So at this time, that completes the OneDrive training. Now we're going to just move on down the road, speed up a little bit, and move into the second part of our training, which will be forms. As you can see, forms is not listed here, but this is a shortcut to get the forms. All apps, and there's forms. Okay, forms is Microsoft version of Google Forms, basically, from my perspective. They've created something where it's so similar to Google Form, and it's for creating surveys, quizzes, polls, and you can see the results in real time. That's what I like about it. Okay, and the options, you have many options, you have many templates, as you can see. So let's just go around the screen and take a look. So I'm going to create a new form. All right. So inside this new form, I can give it a title. Now, once you do that, as you see this little block here with the image, you can click on that. And then you can go here. All right. And these are photos from Maxwell Middle School or Maxwell Air Force Base. Okay. I'll back up. All right. So you can get pictures. For instance, I will, let's just do this one right here. Now add that one. And there you have it. You have an image that you can have as part of your, let's just make this let's just say this is going to be a survey regarding Maxwell Middle School. I'll put survey here. All right, so in your survey, you have options, okay? Option 1, option 2, however you want to lay out your, it can be a survey, then you can click again, you want to add text, you can ask questions. Okay, that's one. You can rate this. All right, so it's a 5-star rating. You can go back in. You can do different stars. You can go up to 10, I believe, there. And but I'll just keep it at 5. All right. So here you can change that to numbers. Rated 1 to 5, 1 to 6, that type. All right. But in each one of these, you can do questions, ratings, and you can do it by date. Okay. So you can just develop a full ongoing. All right. And you can have a question by date right here. And once you've done, all right, you can send that to someone or send it to different individuals. Okay. All right. And then they can answer and give you feedback. Okay. Right here, themes. You can have different themes. All right, background themes. And you can check your responses here. All right, 0 responses because I hadn't sent it. And then you can open it up in an Excel spreadsheet to see the results. Okay. And out here, you can print it. You can look at the feedback and the different settings. And this is how you preview it. This is what it looks like, the finished product that you're going to send someone. Okay. All right. So very useful tool to have. I think, and this is it right here, automatically save. You can also do templates. All right. These are different templates that you can use for each one. So what you have here, you can set up a quiz, customers feedback, event registration, courses, and those are just a few. And here's some more templates down here that you can utilize. All right, parent survey, so on and so forth. And you can purchase them also. Okay. Very user friendly. Plus, you can create your own simple step-by-step process as far as any kind of document you want to use. And then you can just submit it or send it or email it to kids or staff, whatever your survey or whatever you're working on. So I like it. I've got to play with it a little bit more, but it's very, very user friendly once again. And I think it'll be a good resource for us moving forward. That's the end of my presentation for today. As always, you have questions or concerns, please email me, and I'll be more than happy to help you in regards to these new applications that we're utilizing in our classroom setting. Thank you.